From the imagination of Walt Disney, innocence was born, friendships were formed, and a legacy was created. Now,
Look who's here!
an all-new movie,
Boy, am I glad to see you.
Bambi 2.
Poor little fella, so young to be without his mother. Who better to raise the young prince than the great prince himself?
Me?
Woohoo!
A prince does not woo-hoo.
He doesn't?
A prince maintains control at all times.
Whoa! You're gonna need a lot of practice. Come on, I can teach you.
But will a son's courage
This is it. Come on, Bambi. You can do it.
reveal a father's love?
And the colder the winter, the warmer the spring, the deeper the sorrow, the more our hearts sing.
Hey, Dad, where are we going today?
There is love.
What were you like when you were my age?
Bambi 2.
Actually, I was a lot like you.
Premiering on Disney DVD, February 7th.